सोनसड्याच्या कोयराच्या प्रश्ना बाबतीत उलोवपा खातीर आनी ह्या प्रश्नाचेर कायमचो तोडगो काडपा खातीर मंगळारा बसका जाली। ह्या बसकेत पुराय जागा कोयर वेवस्थापनाक दिवपाचो थाराव घेतला। तशेंच 25 टन पर डेचे 2 प्लांट महसूल निधी वापरून वेवस्था करतले असोय थाराव जाला। कोयर वेवस्थापन मंत्री बाबूश मेवसरातान आलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड, दिगंबर कामत आणि विजय सरदेसाय आणि घनघोर कोयर वेवस्थापन मंडळाचे अधिकारी आणि शार उदरगत खात्याचो सचिव हांचे सयत सोनसड्या विशयांत बसका जाली।
We intend to set up 2 plants here of 25 ton per day capacity. That is a biodigester to manage the waste of the MMC. Now, for that we have put certain conditions to the municipality, which my colleague has agreed basically to comply with this condition to set up this plants. So I feel, see, now all this while it's been Sonsodo I've been hearing for ages together. But I am saying after this, what we have planned for MMC, I am sure that this problem will be tackled once for all. 12 to 18 months to complete the full plan.
18 months.
Yeah,
So
to complete the full plan.
by next
Be rest assured, we have found a solution for this problem.